Hello guys, this is Tovin. Welcome back to my channel, and this is my tutorial to how to build this clay and sand. This is pretty cheap, pretty efficient farm, and this schematic will be available for you guys to download. And basically I will explain how it works. It just needs a large water wheel. This is what you need, and also use here a speed control it if you need it. So this is the remaining capacity. This is pretty low farm, and this is really nice actually. It uses simple cobblestone generator here. As you can see, the cobblestone will be breaked and will fall into the vault over here. So it's almost instant, it falls in the vault. Alright, and this brass funnel over here is set up to 64. So when a stack of cobblestone falls down, will be crushed by the wheel and crushed again, so will return to us clay or sand. So each one has a percentage. So as you can see here, we have this recipe for making clay. If I crush the gravel, it will return sand always, and we have 10% flint and 5% clay ball. So the flint will fall here. I don't need flint actually, but if you need, you just remove this and go on, try to use it. But almost all farms in Crate mod has this flint return. It's kind of annoying, but sometimes it's useful, not all times. And how it works basically, you power the machine over here, whereas this clutch is here. So it's set it in this frequency. This should be on to receive signal, and the signal will comes from here, this threshold switch. Here you can set it up the stacks in the chest. So what will happen? It will send a signal over here to stop the machine, and send a signal for the frog, so it will send what we need to send over here to our big vault. So that's the idea. So you can name the frog any name you need it. So this is how it works. And when it comes to the silo, I have here some gravel. It seems it not crush it, but anyways, it's crushing. Here we have the filter. In this filter we has clay and sand, and this is the flint, right? So if we speed up this thing, when you put your belt over here, you need to see if the belt is going the right way. So this is the right way. It's going to the left over here, and then we'll fill up the silo and work properly. So this is not right, just remove it. As you can see, the frog sent the items. So if I get, for example, clay over here, and I will fill up and will send the packages to the system over there. So this is the farm. You can get the schematic in the schematic table. We just need schematic. Alright, you put on the table, and this is the schematic, and this is how it looks, the farm. Let me put over here so you can see. This is the farm. when you use the schematic, probably you need to put water over here, so you waterlog all the drills, right? They have water over there. As you can see, here is the water. So you put the water in the drills, we waterlog them, and put the lava, just one bucket in the middle. It's all you need, and you get cobblestone. It's pretty fast, as you can see. When you speed up, it goes really fast, and you'll get a lot of sand for sure. As you can see, it's in the big package to the system, and actually you'll get a lot of things, so a lot of resources. And that's it. This is the clay farm. This is pretty cheap and pretty efficient. All depends on the speed you put in. Alright, so that's how it works. Thank you guys. Goodbye.